Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 15th to 17th, featuring the bright moon passing Jupiter. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. The visibilities of the planets are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times in local sources. 5 bright planets parade westward from evening twilight until midnight. Find Mercury through a binocular low in the southwest at 30 minutes after sunset. Venus then dominates the sky until it sets over 2 hours after sundown and before Jupiter rises. During the early evening, Saturn is in the southern sky. Mars rises later and shines in the east-northeast before midnight. During the mornings and evenings of November 15th to 17th, the moon approaches and passes Jupiter. Here's what to see after sunset. November 15th, the full beaver moon rises about 20 minutes before sunset in the Americas. It is 4.5 degrees west of the Pleiades star cluster. During the evening, it closes in on the cluster. About 2 hours later, Jupiter appears above the eastern horizon, over 20 degrees to the lunar orb's lower left. After midnight, the moon occults or eclipses the Pleiades star cluster. November 16th, tonight, the moon, 98% illuminated, rises less than 30 minutes after sundown. It is over 8 degrees above the Jovian giant. While the separation is large, this is a pretty view, a bright planet somewhat near the slightly gibbous moon. November 17th, the moon is nearly 10 degrees to Jupiter's lower left and 4.2 degrees to Elnathan's lower left, the bull's northern horn. For those who sky watch in the morning. November 15th, the nearly full moon is low in the western sky before sunrise, over 30 degrees to Jupiter's lower right. November 16th, after midnight, the full beaver moon occults stars in the Pleiades star cluster. As morning twilight begins, the lunar orb is 1.6 degrees to Alcyon's upper left, the brightest star in the cluster. Jupiter is over 15 degrees to the moon's upper left. Aldebaran, Taurus' brightest star, is over 10 degrees to the moon's upper left. November 17th, the moon, 96% illuminated, is about 1/3 of the way up in the western sky, 5.6 degrees to the right of Jupiter and 6.3 degrees below Elnath. Later today, the moon occults the star for sky watchers in the Indian Ocean basin and Southwest Africa. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.